At the end of this video, you should understand how to describe and explain experiments to investigate the small size of particles and their movements, including the dilution of coloured solutions and diffusion experiments. Understand the terms atom and molecule. Understand the differences between elements, compounds and mixtures. Diffusion is the movement of particles through a liquid or gas. It is the movement of particles from where there are lots of them to places where there are fewer of them. An example of diffusion is the dilution of a coloured solution. For example, if you place potassium manganate in water, it slowly spreads out. This is due to the particles of potassium manganate diffusing among the water particles. The random motion of particles in a liquid causes the potassium manganate to evenly spread out. Examples of diffusion experiments are ammonia and hydrogen chloride. For example, aqueous ammonia gives off ammonia gas, and hydrochloric acid gives off hydrogen chloride gas. If we soak two pieces of cotton wool and place them in the ends of a sealed tube, a white ring will form closer to the hydrochloric acid, rather than in the middle. This shows that the particles of ammonia are smaller and lighter, and thus diffuse more quickly than the hydrochloric acid. The next experiment is bromine gas and air. Have a glass filled with half air and half bromine, with a glass plate blocking it off. Remove the plate and the bromine will diffuse through the air until it is evenly spread out. All substances are made up of atoms. Atoms are the smallest component of an element, but still has the properties of that element. Atoms can join together to form molecules. Molecules can be made of the same element or more than one element. Molecules are held together by covalent bonds. Elements consist of one type of atom only, for example the element copper. Compounds are when a substance that is made of two or more different elements are chemically bonded together. It is very difficult to separate the two original elements again. The properties of a compound are totally different from the properties of the original element. Mixtures are easily separated. There is no chemical bond between the different parts of a mixture. Mixtures can be separated out using physical methods such as distillation. For example, air is a mixture of different gases. These include oxygen and nitrogen.